The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, are you all revising your daily lessons? Children, you have to do. Listen to this quote. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. Okay, today let us continue with our chapter Similar Triangles. The next topic is sides and angles. In the last class, we have seen that in triangles of the same angles, the sides are scaled by the same factor, isn't it? If so, if the sides are enlarged or shrinked by the same factor, would the angles remain the same? Let us see. See this triangle ABC. AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 2 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. Draw another triangle DEF. DE is 7.5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter, EF is 6 centimeter. Okay, here the sides of the large triangle are 1.5 times the sides of the small triangle, isn't it? Are the angles of the triangles the same? We have to check this. We place the triangles with the right corners together. The figure is like this. Five centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then this line divides the right and bottom side of the large triangle. Here, right side's ratio is 2:4. This is equal to 1:2. Then, bottom side ratio is 2.5:5. This is equal to 1:2. Here, this line divides the right side and bottom side of the large triangle are in the ratio 1:2, isn't it? So, these two lines are equally inclined at the bottom side. That is, these two angles are equal. So, these two lines are parallel, right? In the same way, these two angles are also equal. Now we see that the angles are equal, so sides are scaled by the same factor. Okay, we can state this as If the sides of two triangles are scaled by the same factor, then their angles are the same. Clear, children? This line divides the right side and bottom side of the large triangle. Now we get these two angles are equal. These two angles are also equal. These two triangles angles are equal. So the third side is also scaled by the same factor. Okay. ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിൻ്റെ ആംഗിൾസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണെന്ന് കിട്ടി അല്ലേ. ദിസ് ആംഗിൾ ഈസ് കോമൺ ടു ദീസ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിൻ്റെ സൈഡ്സ് സ്കെയിൽഡ് ബൈ ദി സെയിം ഫാക്ടർ. ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ തേർഡ് സൈഡും scaled by the same factor. Okay, that is, in triangles with two sides scaled by the same factor and the angles between them the same, the third sides are also scaled by the same factor. Clear, children? From this, by the general principle we have seen, for two triangles to be similar, they have to be related in one of the following ways. First one, having the same angles. Second one, having sides scaled by the same factor. Third one, having two sides scaled by the same factor and the angles between them equal. Clear, children? അപ്പോൾ ഈ മൂന്ന് കണ്ടീഷനിലെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു കണ്ടീഷൻ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് സിമിലർ ആണ്. ക്ലിയർ, ചിൽഡ്രൻ? നെക്സ്റ്റ്, see these two triangles. The sides of triangle ABC are small letter A, small letter B and small letter C. The sides of triangle PQR are KA, KB and KC. Here sides are scaled by the same factor. Okay. Now we have to find the perimeters of these two triangles. Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC, right? That is A plus B plus C. Next, perimeter of triangle PQR. Perimeter of triangle PQR. This is equal to PQ plus QR plus PR. PQ is KA plus QR is KB plus KC. Here, in these three terms, K is the common term. So, take outside K into remaining terms are A plus B plus C. Perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to K into A plus B plus C. Okay. That is, the perimeters are scaled by the same factor as that of the sides. Okay, clear? Next, in two triangles with the sides scaled by the same factor, how are the areas related? Okay, we have to check. The height of the first triangle is taken as H and the height of the second triangle is taken as KH. Okay, area of the triangle ABC is equal to, how we have to find the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Here base is AB, that is A into height or altitude. Here altitude is H. Half into A into H is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, next area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. Here base is PQ, that is KA into height. Here height is KH. Okay, this is equal to K into K square. K square into half into A into H. Okay, that is area of the second triangle is K square times the area of the first triangle. Clear children? That is the scale factor of the areas is the square of the scale factor of the sides. Clear children? Let us do a problem. In the picture shows two circles with the same center and two triangles formed by joining the centers of the points of intersection of the circles with the two radii of the large circle. Prove that these triangles are similar. Now we have to prove these two triangles are similar. Mark the center as O, A, B, C, D. Okay. Consider triangle OAB and OCD. Consider triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Here angle O is equal to angle O. That is common angle. Angle O is common to these two triangles. Next, OA is equal to OB, radii of the small circle. Next, OC is equal to OD, again radii of the large circle. Here OA and OB are radii of the small circle and OC and OD are also radii of the large circle. From this we get OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. That is, radii are scaled by the same factor. Isn't it? That means the two sides of these two triangles are scaled by the same factor. These two sides are scaled by the same factor and the angle between them the same. Right? So, these two triangles are similar triangles. Triangle OAB and triangle OCD are similar. Clear children? Next question. The line joining the circumcenter of a triangle to the vertices are extended to meet another circle with the same center and these points are joined to make another triangle. First sub question, prove that the two triangles are similar. Mark the center O, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, here we have to prove triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Okay, first consider triangle OBC and triangle OED. Here angle O is equal to angle O, common angle. OB is equal to OC radii. OB and OC are radii of the small circle, so it is equal. Okay. Next, OE is equal to OD, radii of the large circle, so it is equal. Okay, from this we get these sides are in the same ratio. That is, OB by OE is equal to OC by OD are in the same ratio. Here, in triangle OBC and triangle OED, angle O is the common angle. So these two sides are in the same ratio, means these two sides are scaled by the same factor and the angle between them the same, right? So the third side is also scaled by the same factor. So triangle OBC and triangle OED are similar triangles. Okay. From this we get OB by OE is equal to OC by OD is equal to CB by DE. Mark it as equation 1. Okay. In the same way, consider triangle OBA and triangle OEF. Angle O is common to these two triangles. OB and OA are radii of the small circle. OE and OF are radii of the large circle. So these two sides are scaled by the same factor and the angle between them the same. So their third sides are scaled by the same factor. So these two triangles are similar triangle. So we can write OB by OE is equal to OA by OF is equal to BA by EF. Mark it as equation 2. Okay. The same way, consider triangle OAC and triangle OFD. Consider triangle OAC and triangle OFD. OA and OC are radii of the small circle. OF and OD are radii of the large circle. So these two sides are scaled by the same factor and the angle between them the same. So their third side is scaled by the same factor. Triangle OAC and OFD are similar triangles. Okay, from this we can write OA by OF is equal to OC by OD is equal to AC by FD. Mark it as equation 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we get CB by DE is equal to BA by EF is equal to AC by FD. That is CB by DE is equal to BA by EF and AC by FD. That is, the sides of triangle ABC and the sides of triangle DEF are scaled by the same factor. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. The sides of triangle ABC and triangle DEF are scaled by the same factor. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Is it clear, children? Second sub question, prove that the scale factor of the sides of the triangle is the scale factor of the radii of the circles. From equation 1, CB by DE is equal to OB by OE. CB by DE is equal to OB by OE. From equation 2, BA by EF is equal to OA by OF. BA by EF is equal to OA by OF. Okay. From equation 3, AC by FD is equal to OC by OD. That is, the scale factor of the sides of the triangle is the scale factor of the radii of the circle. Clear, children? The scale factor of the sides of the triangle is the scale factor of the radii of the circles. Clear, children? Next question, see this picture of a quadrilateral. For sub question, draw a quadrilateral with angles the same as those of this one and sides scaled by 1.5. Okay, mark the quadrilateral as A, B, C, D. So first we have to find the scaled sides of this quadrilateral. Okay, so AB is equal to 1.5 times of 6 centimeter. So 1.5 into 6, this is equal to 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into 6. 2 and 6 is a multiple of 2. 6 by 2 is 3, 3 into 3, 9 centimeter. Okay, next BC. BC is equal to 1.5 times of 3 centimeter, that is 3 by 2 into 3, this is equal to 9 by 2, this is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, next CD, this is equal to 1.5 times of 2, that is 3 by 2 into 2, this is equal to 2 divided by 2, 1, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Next, AD is equal to 1.5 times of 4 centimeter, this is equal to 3 by 2 into 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. Okay, next AC is equal to 1.5 times of 5 centimeter, that is 3 by 2 into 5 is equal to 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, scaled sides are 9 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. Clear? Next, we have to draw using correct measurements. We have to draw a quadrilateral. Its sides are scaled by 1.5 times. Okay. First, draw line AB. Nine centimeter. Mark it as AB. 9 centimeter. Next, AC is 7.5 centimeter and BC is 4.5 centimeter. Next, measure 7.5 centimeter. Keep the tip of the compass on point A and draw an arc. Measure 4.5 centimeter. Keep the tip of the compass on point B and draw an arc. This point is C. This intersecting point is C. Join BC. This is 4.5 centimeter. Next, join AC. .5 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter, CD is 3 centimeter. Next, measure 3 centimeter. Keep the tip of the compass on point A and draw an arc. Next, measure 6 centimeter. Keep the tip of the compass on point A and draw an arc. Mark it as D. Join CD. Three centimeter. Join AC. Six centimeter. Now we got a quadrilateral ABCD. Its sides are scaled by the same factor. Clear, children? This chapter has got over. We worked out a few problems in the class. A few are there in the text. Try to practice those too. If you have any doubt, you can call me. That's all for today. Till then, bye. Thank you.